Jennifer Aniston is famous for her glowing skin, enviable physique, and youthful energy. But did you know that one of her secrets to staying in shape is the 5-2 intermittent fasting method? Today, we're diving into how Jennifer uses this approach to stay fit and why it might work for you. First, let's break down the 5-2 intermittent fasting method. It's a popular approach where you eat normally for 5 days of the week and restrict your calorie intake on the other 2. On fasting days, you typically consume about 500 to 600 calories. Jennifer prefers this plan because it's sustainable. She doesn't need to count calories every day, but can still achieve the benefits of intermittent fasting. Jennifer has been open about her wellness routines, and the 5-2 method is a staple for her. She loves it because it not only helps her maintain her weight, but also improves her energy, mental clarity, and even helps with that radiant skin. Intermittent fasting can boost your metabolism, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation, all things that help you look and feel your best. Now, let's look at what a typical week might look like. For Jennifer, 5 days of the week include balanced meals, think lean proteins, whole grains, veggies, and healthy fats. But on 2 non-consecutive days, she reduces her intake to about 500 calories. These fasting days might consist of a smoothie for breakfast, a salad with lean protein for lunch, and maybe a small portion of berries or nuts as a snack. By keeping her meals light and nutrient-dense on fasting days, she still feels satisfied. The 5-2 method has a lot of benefits, but it's essential to listen to your body. Jennifer emphasizes the importance of hydration, sleep, and self-care, especially on fasting days. Remember, intermittent fasting isn't for everyone. It's a good idea to check with a healthcare professional before starting any fasting regimen to make sure it's right for you. So, if you're looking to refresh your wellness routine and try something sustainable, the 5-2 intermittent fasting method could be worth a try. Jennifer Aniston has made it part of her lifestyle, and the results speak for themselves. Let us know in the comments if you'd try the 5-2 method. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into celebrity wellness routines. Thanks for watching.